guys, back again. This video is going to be about how to set up Eclipse and a few key things that you need before we go into this. You're gonna have to have Java 1.6 JDK 1.6 downloaded on your computer, but make sure that you don't have any other Javas on your computer. That the Java JDK 1.6 is the only one you have. And then you're going to need JRE6, and you're going to need Tortoise download on your computer, and also Eclipse, because that's what we're setting up. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go into your C drive, where you have all your Idempiere information located, and you're going to create this Idempiere_SVN folder. And so you would just, create a new folder and do Idempiere_SVN. I'm going to do SVN2 since I already have one. And then you're going to go into that folder, and as you can see, it should be empty. And you're going to right click and go to Tortoise SVN, and you're going to click Create Repository here. And then go ahead and click Create Folder Structure. And it says default directory structure was successfully created, so you click OK, and then click OK again. Now go back out of this folder and back into your C drive, and as you can see, it's right here where it's located. And you're going to do an SVN checkout. So go ahead and click that. And this is one of the most important parts, is getting this URL of repository correct. So I've got the updated one right here in my notepad. And just make sure that you copy this code completely. So I'm just going to copy and paste it into the repository right here. And then go ahead and take away this WC, and just make sure that your checkout directory is into what you named your folder, so we can check. So here's our Idempiere SVN2, and that's what it is right here. So then you're going to click OK. And then it says that it's not empty, and that's okay because you have created the repository in there. So go ahead and click Checkout. And here it is working. And this is what it's going to do. Don't worry, it'll take probably 7 to 10 minutes. But for time's sake and for the video, I'm going to pause this until it's finished. Alright, so as you can see now, it's finished up, and it took 8 minutes, so just really be patient with this part, but it has successfully completed, so we'll just hit OK. Now the next part to this process of setting up Eclipse, we're actually going to open up Eclipse, so I've got it right here, and as you can see where I've built it before, we have a successful build down here, and I'll go through and explain how you do that. So the first step that you're going to do, you're not going to have this project in here yet because you just created the folder for it. So go ahead and go into File and go into Import and click on Existing Projects and Workspace. Next. And then you're going to browse in the Select Root directory, and you're going to go into your C drive. You're going to click on the folder that you just created, but I'm going to do the one that I've worked with. And so you just see how it's Idempiere_SVN. So you would click OK. And then since I already have this project open, it's taking a little longer. And then, of course, it says right here that it can't be imported again because I already have it open. But you would click Finish. I'm just going to click Cancel. So the next step, you're going to go under, you're going to right-click on Idempiere 360, which is your project. And I clicked the wrong thing. Hold on. You would go to Properties. There you go. And you got to go into your Java compiler. And make sure that your JDK is set to 1.6. And this is a really important part of this. We had a lot of issues when dealing with this. So just make sure that your Java compiler is set to 1.6. You're going to hit OK. And then the next step, you're going to have to go under your Dempier project and under the utils_dev folder, you're going to right click on build and you're going to go to run as and go to external tools configurations. And this is really important. Make sure that you're selected on the project that you're working in, which is Dempier_360, and this should be good as your default, but if it's not, just make sure that you change it to where it matches mine. And then we're going to go under JRE, and this is also a really important part. It's not going to run on any other JRE other than 6. So a lot of times it'll default to the JDK 1.6, but you're going to have to, if your JRE 6 doesn't show up right here on the drop down, you're going to have to go under Install JREs, and wherever you installed your JRE, you're going to have to you're going to have to add, and you're going to click a standard VM, you're going to click next, and then you're going to have to search for it in your directory. And this is just wherever you downloaded it to. I downloaded mine to the C drive into program files and under Java, and here's mine, and you would just select that and click OK. And that's just making sure that you have the correct JRE selected once you've done that. So make sure that this box is checked. Click OK. And then this should be the default, should be this mine right here. And then this should also be your default. So click Apply and then click Run. And now it's going to start to build. And this might take a while. At the beginning, when we opened up Eclipse, you might have seen that ours took about 3 minutes to build. So it's going to go through. And for time's sake, I'm going to pause this while it builds. So as you can see right here, our build was successful, and it only took 1 minute and 41 seconds this time. I feel like each time you build it, it'll probably get faster, and since we've done it a couple of times to make sure it'll build successfully, it's pretty fast. But as you can see this message, you have successfully set up Eclipse, and it's ready for use now. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and check back in for more.